Crypto investing can seem intimidating, especially for beginners, but it's one of the most exciting opportunities in the world of finance today. With digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a growing list of altcoins, understanding the basics can unlock a whole new level of wealth-building potential. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or dive deep into the world of decentralized finance, this guide will break down everything you need to know to get started. From choosing the right platform to understanding the risks and rewards, we'll help you navigate the crypto landscape with confidence. Let's dive in. Today we will talk about Beginner's Guide to Crypto Investing. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Introduction to Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, often shortened to crypto, is a form of digital or virtual currency designed to work as a medium of exchange. Unlike traditional currencies like the US dollar or euro, which are issued and controlled by a central authority, like a government or central bank, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. This means they operate on a distributed network of computers, a foundational technology known as blockchain. The first and most famous cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was created in 2009 by an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto. The core idea behind Bitcoin, and most subsequent cryptocurrencies, was to create a peer-to-peer electronic cash system that could function without the need for a central intermediary, such as a bank. This decentralization offers greater transparency and security, as all transactions are recorded on a public ledger, making them virtually impossible to alter or counterfeit. While the potential for high returns has made crypto investing a popular topic, it's crucial for beginners to understand that this market is highly volatile and comes with significant risks. 2. The power of blockchain technology. At the heart of every cryptocurrency is blockchain, a revolutionary technology that acts as a secure, distributed public ledger. Imagine a digital notebook where every page, a block, is filled with transaction data. Once a block is full, it is linked to the previous block, creating a chain of data. This chain is then replicated and distributed across a network of computers or nodes. Because the ledger is shared and verified by all participants in the network, it is incredibly difficult to tamper with. Any attempt to alter a single block would require changing every subsequent block in the chain, as well as gaining the consensus of the majority of the network's participants. This immutability and transparency are what make blockchain so powerful and secure. It ensures that every transaction is verified and publicly recorded, eliminating the need for a central authority to validate the exchange. Understanding blockchain is the first step to understanding the value and function of cryptocurrencies. 3. Choosing your cryptocurrency exchange. Before you can buy your first crypto, you need a place to do it, a cryptocurrency exchange. An exchange is an online marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. There are two main types, centralized and decentralized. Centralized exchanges, CEX, are the most common and are similar to a traditional stock brokerage. They act as a third party to facilitate transactions and hold your funds in a custodial wallet. CEX are often more user-friendly for beginners, offer higher liquidity, and provide customer support. Decentralized exchanges, DEX, on the other hand, operate on a peer-to-peer model without a central authority. They allow you to trade directly from your own wallet, giving you complete control over your private keys. When choosing an exchange, consider factors like security measures, two-factor authentication, fee structures, transaction and withdrawal fees, the variety of cryptocurrencies available, and the user interface. It's wise to start with a well-known, reputable exchange that is compliant with regulations in your region. 4. Making your first purchase. Once you've chosen a suitable exchange, the process of buying crypto is relatively straightforward. The first step is to create an account and complete the verification process, which usually involves providing a government-issued ID and a proof of address. This is a standard security measure known as Know Your Customer, (IC). After your account is verified, you will need to fund it. Most exchanges allow you to deposit money via a bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. Some may also support other payment methods. Once your funds have cleared, you can navigate to the trading platform and find the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. For beginners, it's often recommended to start with a major, well-established coin like Bitcoin, BTC, or Ethereum, ETA. You can then place a market order to buy at the current price or a limit order to buy once the price hits a specific target. After the transaction is complete, Your cryptocurrency will be held in the exchange's hot wallet, but this is only a temporary solution for small amounts. 5. Storing your crypto. An essential step. One of the most critical aspects of crypto investing is securing your assets. While leaving small amounts on an exchange for easy trading might be convenient, it's not a long-term solution. Your crypto should be stored in a wallet, a digital tool that holds the private keys to your cryptocurrency. There are two primary types of wallets, hot and cold. A hot wallet is connected to the internet, making it easily accessible but more vulnerable to hacking. Examples include web wallets provided by exchanges and mobile apps. A cold wallet or hardware wallet is a physical device that stores your private keys offline. This makes it a much more secure option, as it is virtually immune to online attacks. For larger investments or long-term holdings, a hardware wallet is the industry standard for security. 6. Developing a smart investment strategy. Entering the crypto market without a strategy is a recipe for disaster. One of the most popular and beginner-friendly strategies is dollar cost averaging (DCA). This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the price. For example, you might decide to invest $50 in Bitcoin every week. This approach reduces the risk of buying at a market peak and allows you to build your position over time. Another key principle is diversification. While it's tempting to go all in on one promising coin, spreading your investments across several different cryptocurrencies can help mitigate risk. Remember the golden rule of investing. Only invest what you can afford to lose. 7. Managing risks and staying safe. The world of crypto is rife with risks, and a beginner must be aware of them. The most obvious is market volatility. The price of a cryptocurrency can swing by 20% or more in a single day. This is why a long-term mindset is so important. Another major risk is security. Phishing scams, where a fraudulent website or email attempts to steal your private keys or login information, are common. Always double-check URLs and be wary of unsolicited messages. Regulatory changes are another factor to consider. Governments around the world are still developing their stance on cryptocurrency, and new regulations could impact the market at any time. To stay safe, always enable two-factor authentication on your accounts. Use a strong and unique password, and never share your private keys or recovery phrases. 8. The future of crypto and continuing your education. The cryptocurrency space is constantly evolving, with new technologies and applications emerging at a rapid pace. Beyond simply being a store of value, blockchain is being used in areas like decentralized finance (DeFi), which aims to recreate traditional financial systems, lending, borrowing, without intermediaries, and non-fungible tokens (NFTs), which represent unique digital assets. As a beginner, staying informed is key. Follow reputable crypto news sources, read white papers of projects you're interested in, and engage with online communities to learn from others. The landscape will continue to change, and a commitment to continuous learning will be your greatest asset. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.